2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. It has 6 cylinders, 3.6 liters with the flex fuel option. The AutoCheck report gives this van a score of 90. It also shows it has been in no accidents or had any damage reported. The power lift gate, and it has the seats that fold down, so I'm going to show you how that works real quick. You're going to pull on number 1, fold that down, and you pull on number 2 right here, then you pull on 3, and last 4, and that happens to both sides. It folds down nice and flat, and then you just do it in reverse, and then pull on 2, and then pull on 4, and there you go. Pretty slick, gives you options. If you don't need the seats and you have plenty of storage to all skis or unusual sized items, but then if you don't, you have plenty of storage for all of your luggage and belongings. It has the power lift gate. I'll come over here and show you the rims and the tread on the tires. All right, now we go inside. I have this seat already folded down in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you. So if you don't need them, like I said, there's plenty of room for all of your unusually sized items. You grab this handle right here, and that folds the seat up. And then this just goes right back down. And here's the seats. It is a fabric and leather mix. And here's the third row. And here's the air for the rear passengers. And then if you didn't, also you can use these compartments. There's also more storage opportunities. And then auto door closing. Now to take advantage of that, you do have to pull the seats forward, so I'm going to push this back, go inside. Oh, sorry, here's the passenger seat. Getting a little ahead of myself. And here's the driver's seat. We'll get that TPMS sensor taken care of. It's just need more tire when the weather goes hot and cold. Our tire pressures fluctuate. There's your cruise control, phone controls, power locks and power windows. There's your audio, tri-zone climate control. In here you have 12-volt ports, cup holders, and the coin holder. And then up here, there's your door controls, a little storage compartment for sunglasses, and then a mirror so you can have the view of your back rear passengers. If you are looking for a 7-passenger vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this van out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!